Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use color pigment on nails, updated. Begin by sanitizing hands, pushing cuticles, and filing to your desired shape. Use a non-waxy base and cure if using gel to create a tacky layer. Apply pigment gently with a soft brush, seal with a top coat, and cure again for lasting shine and durability. Warm your pigment slightly with body heat for easier pickup, then swirl a soft brush into the powder and tap off excess. Gently press the pigment onto the tacky gel surface until you reach the desired color payoff. Work in thin layers, buffing lightly between passes for smooth coverage. Finish with a thin top coat, cure fully, and wipe if necessary for a flawless, long-lasting look. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles dust, glitter, and pigment fallout with voice control and smart mapping, so your workspace stays pristine. It's a small investment that saves time and keeps your studio tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with gradients by applying different pigment shades in overlapping strokes, then gently blend with a flat brush for seamless transitions. Try mixing a small amount of pigment into clear gel to create custom translucent tints or metallic effects. For chrome or holographic finishes, buff lightly and seal with a high-gloss top coat. Always clean tools between colors to maintain pure tones and prevent muddy results on the nail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.